Hello everyone, it's Ben at TV Parts today. In front of me on the table we have an LG unit model OLED65A1PUA. We're going to be going over some of the things that you can try if your television is producing a picture but is not giving you any sound. The first thing that we would do is to check any sort of external sound source that might be plugged into the television, be that a sound bar or a stereo system. Make sure that everything is set up and ready to be receiving a signal from your TV. If you have done that and you're still not getting anywhere, we would suggest going through and doing a factory reset on the television. So if you've tried all these different troubleshooting techniques, you're still not getting anywhere and you feel like you need to do a board swap on your TV, we would suggest doing the main board. It is important to note here in this video that we're getting ready to show you, there is a small orange plug. That is the plug going to the speakers themselves. Pay close attention to that, make sure that it is plugged in correctly. For the main board, the first step is going to get all of the plugs and clips away from the main board itself. We're going to start with this guy right here. You want to pinch down on the right and left side on those two little clips. Depress them both. Slowly walk it out and away from the board. This one right here, we're going to pop it up with our fingernail. We're going to do this guy too. And then what we want to do is slowly walk these ribbon cables out and away from the main board. They are pretty delicate. We do want to be careful with those, that we don't cause any damage to those ribbon cable connections. This guy is going to be the same style as this one. We're just going to want to pinch down on the two sides, slowly walk it out away from the main board. The next step is going to be to get all of the screws holding the board into the chassis out of the main board so that we can free that here. And after the screws come out, we should just be able to lift this main board up and away. All right, that's going to do it for today's video. We are going to have a link down below in the description to a subreddit that you can go to if you have any more questions for us. Don't forget to like the video, leave us a comment down below, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you next time.
Thank you for watching another TV Parts Today repair video. If you have a question regarding your TV repair, post a comment and we will try to help. And don't forget, you can help us and stay up to date by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. Also, check us out on Facebook.